Point of Air, or Talacre Lighthouse as it is known locally, sits on the north coast of Wales and has been photographed and videoed many times. When I was walking across the old causeway which used to lead to the lighthouse, I noticed some really good textures in the stones, so I decided what I was going to do was one of my fine art textured prints using these textures of the lighthouse. I hope you enjoyed the video, and the finished picture is at the end. Thank you very much.